Welcome aboard the Norwegian Prima. Join us as we tour a Family Oceanview stateroom. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more helpful cruise content. On our recent Iceland and Norway cruise, we booked a Family Oceanview stateroom and were pleasantly surprised by how large and comfortable this room was. We found it very easy to call this room home for 10 days. We especially liked having this room for an itinerary that usually has cold or unpredictable weather. On both sides of the bed, each lamp has both a USB and USB-C plug. On the side opposite the window, there is also a US plug. Same thing goes for the lamps on either side of the sofa. They both have the two USB plugs and the US plug in the wall on one side. Because this is a Family Oceanview stateroom, the sofa opens up to a bed that holds 2 people. While it might be tight having 4 people in this stateroom, even with the sofa bed open, there is plenty of room to move around. Having a full dresser was an added bonus. It's something that you don't always see on cruise ships. Remember to ask your room attendant to clear out your fridge so you don't get charged for any items. At the desk area, there is a total of 2 US plugs, a European plug, a USB, and a USB-C plug. We liked this closet configuration because we use this open area for coats, backpacks, and shoes, and then the other 2 closet segments for clothes. We also have all Norwegian Cruise Line menus on our website that are linked in the description below. We found the bathroom to be spacious with plenty of storage and like the sizable shower as well. On the back of the shower head there were a variety of pressure settings too. If you use conditioner, make sure to bring it with you because they only supply shampoo and body wash. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay in a Family Oceanview on the Norwegian Prima. Have you stayed in this room before? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.